All right, everyone, welcome to one of America's most dangerous hikes, Angel's Landing. And today we're hiking it in the middle of winter. It just drops off, man, thousands of feet. This is insane, man. All right, everyone, here's your disclaimer of the day. Do not try this ever. We are not professionals.
Completely unprofessional.
Some might say we're kind of dumb. Do not try this. Do not, some have said that. Jake's been wanting to do this hike for years. We're finally here. How do you feel?
Stoked and encouraged that we're not seeing ice on these puddles.
Facts.
It kind of looks like ice, it's not ice.
Definitely not ice. There it is. That's where we're headed, baby. It's what we came here for.
Ooh.
Well, guys, it's been 10 minutes and it's already too hot, so.
Wow.
All right, guys, we're like halfway there, I'd say. Would you say halfway?
Yes.
I'd say halfway. Making our way up. No ice so far, so we're excited about that. I mean, the chains are gonna be nice and cold, nice and snowy, but you know, only ones out here. Amazing views. I mean, just like, I'm excited to see how adventurous this is. You know, obviously we gotta be careful. We gotta watch our step because you could be walking. Oh, it's so cool. Hi guys. Yeah, you guys want to talk about being out here? We are out here. We are thugging it. Oh, look at this. The wilderness. Yes. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. And for it being like 30 degrees, I am sweating. Quite literally hot. You too? You would agree?
Oh yeah. Well, it's not that bad. It's a really breathable shirt.
Oh, that's fair.
From Black Diamond.
Are you Black Diamond sponsored athlete? Black Diamond, hit me up. Hit me up. 700 subscribers. Kind of a lot. You know, just like we support local businesses, I think we should support small YouTubers. You know? Made it to Walter's Wiggles. This used to kick my butt. I think today we're gonna conquer this thing. We're gonna conquer the Wiggles. It's a little more steep than I thought. It's kind of a lot. Me? Tired? No. I'm just, you know, I'm just taking a break. Just go on without me. I can't do it, just leave me. Just go with peace. Just go with peace.
All right.
Wait, no, I was just kidding. You were supposed to actually go. Guys, it's definitely a lot more slippery than we thought. Yeah, it's some thick powder. And we both slipped a couple of times. Never got on video. Oh! Anywho, we out here.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
All right, the snow is coming down. It is dumping on us.
I had to put goggles on my list.
I know. We did not bring goggles. We should have. Anyways, we're getting to the chains. Observation points up here.
Observation points on the other side of the canyon.
Observation points. It is an observation. Boy Scout lookout. We'll put on some gear. Oh, I realized I didn't bring any snacks.
Except you.
And it begins. This is like a foot of snow. Look at this. Let's go, baby! Hazardous. Remember the disclaimer, everyone. We are not professionals. We have appropriate snow gear on our shoes, as you can see.
City version.
Yeah, I bought the one specifically for hiking around in the city, but you know what?
I mean, this is like the city.
It is like the city.
Skyscrapers of rock. So right up here to the left, there's a big drop off. I'm really curious to see what it looks like. Be careful, you know, you see those videos of those, like, you'll be like out on the cliff, but like the snow's like 2 feet out.
Yeah.
Be careful of that.
You can't see anything. We don't know where the edge is.
Yeah. Stay in a safe distance away.
A couple thousand feet down. That's crazy. All right, up we go.
Is this yours? I think it is.
That's mine. That sucks.
Is your other one on?
My other one's on.
I was like, that kind of looks like a micro spike.
Whatever. Nice.
This is cool.
This is so sick. You just have no idea where you're standing. Just knowing there's just a drop off.
Is this the right way?
What's that?
Is this the right way?
No, I think it's that way.
I don't remember.
I think you're right. I think it does drop off right here. That just drops. I think you're right. I think dun 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 dun. It just ends. It just drops off into oblivion. That's insane. This is insane. This is so sick.
I remember, right? This is like the sketchiest part, no?
Yeah.
This is so cool.
This is lit. Man, that's insane.
Wow. Yeah, that's super cool.
Now we're going out. Now we're on the road. This step needs to be carefully stoked.
Losing their shit right now.
I mean, look at that. You can't see anything.
Yeah.
It just drops off, man. That's freaking nuts. Thousands of feet.
Talk about a void.
Yeah, that's a straight up a void. You can't even see the peak. Like we're just. No. This is definitely the sketchiest.
For sure.
This is insane, man.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome.
Isn't that insane?
That's awesome.
Out here, man. Oh, it looks hilarious. All right, game face. We're not out of it yet. We're not out of it. no shame. Who needs them? Not us. Good boy. Getting hot, man. We used to do this hike for like school dances and stuff like that. Crazy. This is absolutely insane. I mean, look at this. Just out here in my element, baby.
Don't you hate the cold?
I hate the cold. Absolutely hate it. It's fun to see a little patch of snow like this. You don't know how deep it is in these. This is crazy. And up we go. It is always fun to realize you have to go back down. Anyways, we are overheating, so jackets are coming off. And yes, it is possible to overheat when it's snowing and it's cold and you're over it. It's definitely possible. Yeah, there were definitely a few times where I was like, whoa, focus.
I should really like pay attention.
I know, I'm like, yeah, I should probably.
And these chains are not like, if you get cruising.
Yeah. Sick. All right, I'm cold. Gotta put on the jacket again. Come on, so close.
Go, go.
Go on without me. I can't.
This is pretty cool too. This is it, isn't it?
You guys, we did it. Well, everyone, you can't really see anything, but just knowing how high up you are and just what it took to get here, it's crazy.
That's definitely cool.
This is one of the coolest hikes I've ever done, and I never thought I'd say that about Angel's Landing because you're just so used to it. But I mean, this was cool. This is really cool. And you just have a drop off on both sides, just into the abyss, into the cold river. I've done it.
This is horrible.
Well, everyone, thank you for watching. This is Angel's Landing, one of the most dangerous hikes in America. We did it in the snow. It was icy, it's cold. I need ice cream. I need to eat some pizza. Oh, pizza sounds good right now.
That's really good.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Also, thanks everyone for the subscribers lately, all the watch hours, the comments, etc., etc. It's very motivating. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff here in the future. So please stay tuned, and it means a lot. So thank you guys.
Subscribe!
Please subscribe. Please, 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 I need it.